Join us on the Mastermind and Mentoring for Therapists. Go to drmikechua.com/MMT. Use the coupon code MMT100 for a $100 discount. See you there.
Good morning, MMT group. So this post is basically for the MMT for ACG, the alternative careers group for our alternative rehabs for rehab professional. Well, anyway, I put up above there, are you repairing or preparing? You know, I talked about this earlier in my Facebook Live with my other page called Misunderstanding Dementia. Well, anyway, in life, obviously, we're going to be either repairing or preparing. So if you keep on repairing something, guess what? There's something wrong with it. Just like a car, if you're just repairing some stuff, you know, it's just going to keep breaking down. But if you're preparing or doing a preventive maintenance, guess what? You're going to be able to travel more with your vehicle. You know, you'll get more mileage out of it, you know, get good gas consumption and everything like that. And that's what I want you to be. You know, if you're a therapist right now, and if you're repairing your career right now, that's not really good. You have to learn how to prepare by identifying your niche, identifying, you know, who your target market is, and that way you can move on forward. So this coming Monday, we're going to have our next webinar. Last Monday, we talked about M, meeting a need. This coming Monday, we're going to be talking about the E, educate or add value to your customers or to your patients. So again, I would like to invite you, come sign up in our webinar. I wish you all the best. You have a great weekend. Today's Friday. It's not yet weekend. Today's Friday. I hope to see you next Monday on our special webinar called Letter E on the MENTOR training series. So first is letter M, is meet a niche. Second is E, and educate. And that way I can and you can get your certain success there. Okay, again, God bless you, happy weekend, and I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.
Join us on the Mastermind and Mentoring for Therapists. Go to drmikechua.com/MMT. Use the coupon code MMT100 for a $100 discount. See you there.